So let's say that you found multiple different places in this VOD that you want to use for your content. You can download them all at once. So let's say we want to use this peak here. You just press Shift while dragging. We open automatically the clip downloader here. You can also open it by clicking it and putting in the values you can see here. But it's easy just to press Shift and drag and you'll get this time frame. Then you can click Download Clip. If you want to get high resolution, you can change that. And while this clip down here is downloading, you can do other clips. So let's say we want to get whatever's happened there. You can download that. Whoops, it's a bit too long. Let's do that. And let's do also this here. You can see this is a 5-minute clip. We'll download that as well. You can see they will all be queuing down here. So I can do other stuff while they're just downloading and come back when they're ready. And as the last one is finishing up, we have the option to change the file name as well. If you're used to editing, you probably know that it's nice having good file names. So we can call this something like a specific thing we'll remember. Fail, for example, Warwick or whatever it could be. You can save that file name, and then when we download it here, we have that file name as well.